Yankees taking on the White Sox. Derek Jeter and the Yanks looking to gain ground on Tampa Bay for their second wild card spot in the AL. Jeter batting with a man on second in the bottom of the first against Jose Quintana.
And he swings away and gets a base hit. Gordon around third, he's coming home. De Aza bobbles the ball. Jeter running hard will go to second. He's in there. Yankees lead 1-0.
The rain would start to come down in the top of the second. They'd have to throw the tarp on the field, and there would be a 1 hour, 53-minute rain delay. When play resumed, David Huff was on the mound for the Yankees, replacing starter Phil Hughes, and Huff looked good in the third. He gets Gordon Beckham to ground out to second, ending the inning, stranding a runner on third. Bottom four, bases loaded, no one out. Mark Reynolds with a grounder to third off Dylan Axelrod. Connor Gillespie dives but can't make the play. It's an infield single. Alex Rodriguez scores. Yankees up 2-0. This would just be the start of things for the Yankees. Next batter, Austin Romine, looks to add on to the lead.
Line drive, base hit off the bat of Romine. Wells scores. Granderson scores. Reynolds moves to third. Romine with a 2-run single, and the Yankees lead 4-0.
So runners on the corner, still no one out for the next batter, Brett Gardner, who rips an RBI double into right, scoring Reynolds. 5-0 Yankees. Runners on second and third. Next batter is Jeter, and he hits one up the middle that goes off Axelrod's glove. It's an infield single. Romine scores. 6-0 Yankees. With that hit, Jeter ties Eddie Collins for ninth on the all-time hit list. Two batters later, now one out, runners on the corners. Alfonso Soriano with an RBI double into left field. Brett Gardner scores. 7-0 Yankees. Jump ahead to the seventh. It's 9-1 New York. Huff still in the game, 1 on and 1 out. Connor Gillespie flares one into shallow right center. Robinson Cano going back. He makes the catch and throws over to first in time to double up Avisail Garcia. That ends the inning. Take another look. Heads up play by Cano to follow the ball, the over-the-shoulder catch, then the throw over to first in time for the twin killing. Huff goes 5 2/3, allowing 5 hits, 1 run, and 3 strikeouts out of the pen as the Yankees win 9-1. Huff gets the win, moving to 2-0. Jeter finishes 2 for 4 with 2 ribbies. And Yankees rookie J.R. Murphy collected his first hit in the bottom of the 8th, and he became the 52nd player used by the Yankees this season, setting a new franchise record.